Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. AI could help us identify weaknesses in our digital fortresses before the attackers even strike. We'll explore how this language model can be used for hacking from detecting vulnerabilities. But before we begin, let's make one thing crystal clear. This information is for educational purposes only. Just like a lockpicking kit can be used by both locksmiths and criminals, ChatGPT's power comes with responsibility. We'll be your guides on this journey, navigating the ethical considerations and potential consequences of using AI in the realm of cybersecurity. Our exploration will cover everything from vulnerability detection and penetration testing to social engineering and the future of AI in this rapidly evolving field. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding the capabilities of tools like ChatGPT is crucial in our increasingly interconnected world. This is not just about learning how to use a tool, it's about understanding the implications of its existence. It's about equipping ourselves with the knowledge to navigate the future of cybersecurity, where the lines between human and machine are constantly blurred. So buckle up, and let's dive into the exciting and sometimes unnerving world of ChatGPT and its impact on cybersecurity. Think of a fortress, its walls strong and imposing. But what if there's a hidden crack, a weak point that's invisible to the naked eye? That's where ChatGPT comes in, acting as a digital inspector, meticulously examining the code that makes up our digital world. It's like having an army of security guards, each trained to spot even the smallest discrepancy, the slightest anomaly that could signal a vulnerability. ChatGPT's ability to analyze code stems from its vast knowledge base, honed through training on a massive dataset of text and code. It can identify patterns, spot inconsistencies, and even suggest improvements to make the code more robust and secure. Imagine you're building a house, and ChatGPT is like having an experienced architect by your side, pointing out potential structural flaws before they become serious problems. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine a piece of code that handles user logins for a website. A common vulnerability is called SQL injection, where an attacker can manipulate the input fields to gain unauthorized access to the database. ChatGPT can analyze this code and identify the vulnerability, highlighting the specific lines that need to be fixed. However, it's important to remember that ChatGPT is not a silver bullet. It's a powerful tool, but it's not infallible. Its analysis is only as good as the data it was trained on, and it can sometimes produce false positives, flagging code as vulnerable when it's perfectly safe. That's why human oversight is still crucial in the process, ensuring that ChatGPT's findings are accurate and actionable. In the world of cybersecurity, knowledge is power. And what better way to understand your enemy than to think like them? That's where ChatGPT's ability to simulate cyber attacks comes in, allowing us to prepare for the worst by experiencing it in a controlled environment. It's like having a sparring partner who knows all the moves, helping you train for a real fight. ChatGPT can be used to simulate a wide range of attacks, from simple phishing emails to more sophisticated social engineering schemes. It can craft convincing messages that prey on human emotions, mimicking the tactics used by real-world attackers. This allows security professionals to test their defenses, identify weaknesses in their systems, and train employees on how to spot and avoid these attacks. Imagine you want to test the effectiveness of your company's phishing awareness training. ChatGPT can be used to create a realistic phishing email campaign, complete with spoofed sender addresses, compelling subject lines, and cleverly disguised malicious links. By monitoring how employees interact with these simulated emails, you can identify areas where training needs to be improved and strengthen your defenses against real-world attacks. The ability to simulate attacks is an invaluable tool in the cybersecurity arsenal. It allows us to stay one step ahead of the attackers, anticipate their moves, and build more resilient systems. But with great power comes great responsibility, and it's crucial to use this technology ethically and responsibly, ensuring that simulations are conducted in controlled environments and do not cause any real-world harm. In the digital age, our data is more valuable than ever, and cybercriminals are constantly finding new ways to exploit our vulnerabilities. While technical skills are important for hackers, many rely on a more subtle weapon: social engineering. This involves manipulating people into revealing sensitive information or granting access to systems they shouldn't. Think of it like a con artist gaining your trust to steal your life savings. They don't need to break down your door when they can trick you into opening it yourself. ChatGPT, with its ability to generate human-like text and understand social cues, can be a powerful tool in the wrong hands. Imagine a hacker wanting to gain access to a company's network. Instead of trying to brute force their way in, they could use ChatGPT to craft a convincing email pretending to be from IT support. This email might ask for the employee's password, claiming it's needed for a system upgrade. A less cautious employee might fall for this, unknowingly handing over the keys to the kingdom. ChatGPT can also be used to create fake social media profiles, generating posts and comments that build trust and familiarity. This can be used to spread misinformation, manipulate public opinion, or even target individuals with highly personalized phishing attacks. The potential for misuse is clear, which is why it's crucial to approach ChatGPT with a strong ethical compass. Just like a lock-picking kit can be used for good or evil, the same tool that can help us understand social engineering can also be used to exploit it. It's our responsibility to ensure that this technology is used for good, to educate and protect, not to deceive and harm. Section 5. Training the Defenders ChatGPT in Cybersecurity Education. In the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity, knowledge is our strongest defense. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, so too must our methods of training and educating the next generation of cyber defenders. ChatGPT, with its ability to simulate real-world scenarios and provide personalized feedback, is poised to revolutionize cybersecurity education. Imagine a classroom where students can test their skills against simulated cyber attacks, learning how to identify vulnerabilities, defend against intrusions, and respond to incidents in a safe and controlled environment. ChatGPT can generate these scenarios, tailoring the difficulty and complexity to each student's level of understanding. It's like having a virtual cybersecurity training ground where students can hone their skills without the risk of real-world consequences. Beyond simulations, ChatGPT can be used to create interactive learning materials, such as quizzes, games, and even personalized study guides. It can also act as a virtual teaching assistant, answering students' questions, providing explanations, and offering guidance. This personalized approach to learning can help students grasp complex concepts more easily and accelerate their progress. As the cybersecurity skills gap continues to widen, it's more important than ever to find innovative ways to train and educate the next generation of defenders. ChatGPT, with its ability to personalize learning, simulate real-world scenarios, and provide instant feedback, has the potential to transform cybersecurity education and equip students with the skills they need to succeed in this rapidly evolving field. Now let's dive into the ethical implications of artificial intelligence in cybersecurity. AI has the potential to revolutionize how we protect our digital world, but it also comes with a set of ethical considerations. For instance, who is responsible when an AI system makes a mistake? And how do we ensure that these systems are used for good and not for malicious purposes? These are important questions that we need to address as we integrate AI more deeply into our cybersecurity frameworks. Moving on, let's talk about how AI is evolving the field of cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence can analyze vast amounts of data much faster than any human, identifying patterns and potential threats that might go unnoticed. This capability allows for more proactive and efficient security measures. However, as AI becomes more sophisticated, so do the tactics of cybercriminals. It's a constant game of cat and mouse, where both sides are continually adapting and evolving. If you're interested in ethical hacking and want to learn more, there are plenty of resources available. Online courses, certifications, and community forums can provide valuable knowledge and skills. Organizations like EC Council and Offensive Security offer certifications that are well respected in the industry. It's crucial to stay updated with the latest trends and techniques to be effective in this ever-changing field. Finally, let's discuss responsible exploration in the age of AI. As we push the boundaries of what artificial intelligence can do, it's essential to approach this exploration with a sense of responsibility. This means being aware of the potential risks and ethical dilemmas, and striving to use AI in ways that benefit society as a whole. By fostering a culture of responsible innovation, we can ensure that the advancements in AI contribute positively to our world.